Hi, madam. How are you? How much? I want a soft one. Ha? 100. Ha? Kaya ako ng nilagang saging, nilagang mais pala. Dito sa Uganda, ito ay very staple na street food. 1,000 shillings or 10 piso ang isa. So, bibili lang ako ng dalawa para sa biyahe namin papunta ng farm. Dahil ngayon punta tayo ng farm, guys. Let's go.
Tara na sa bukid! Kamusta? Ako po si Kahil!
Yo, yo, yo! Ako po si Nasri!
Mabuhay! Ako po Ali! Ako po si Calvin.
Welcome to Kichusa. We are now at Aunt Florence's shop. We are now at Aunt Florence's shop. We want to pick a few of our guys here. We are going to the pineapple gatherings for some harvests and matoke harvests. She's our a person in this locality. She actually taught us most of the things we do here. Mostly trading, pineapple gardening and stuff like that. So she's our reliable source here, and in case we need anything, we really always count on her. She's a very good support system in our life. As you can see, this is a typical Ugandan retailer shop. Normally they sell fast moving consumer goods which can be easily accessed. Daily consumables like water, cooking oil, salt, bread, biscuits, baking powder, jerry cans, plastics, beddings. So it's a mixed shop. It sells everything. We call it walk in and get whatever you need and walk out. So it's an end-to-end solution. You walk into this typical retailer shop of Ugandan setting and you can be able to get whatever you want, from 100 shillings to 1,000,000 shillings. So it's how the setup is normally is. So this is where we learned our art of also doing this kind of. And guys, for today's episode, I'll teach you one Uganda word. This business, we call it eduka. Eduka. It's A-E-D-W-K-A. Eduka. So a retailer shop is called eduka in Ugandan local language, Luganda. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button not to miss any of our videos. We love you.
Andito na tayo, guys. Malapit na tayo sa aming bukirin. Ayan. Hindi na tayo nalalayo. Siguro mga 10 to 15 minutes maabot na natin yung aming pinyahan at sagingan. Siyempre, kailangan nating bisitahin yun, guys. Kasi baka mamaya pagdating natin ay kinain na ng mga unggoy ang ating mga prutas. At saka isa pa, kailangan na natin silang harvestin para mabenta na yung iba. So, andito tayo ngayon sa isang probinsya malapit sa aming taniman ng saging at pinya. Kita nyo itong tindahan ni Mama Sam. Naalala nyo ba si Mama Sam, guys, yung kasama ko last time na pumunta dun sa may pinyahan? Nung nabudol ko ng napakaraming pinya. Ito yung kanyang tindahan. Ayan. Siyempre, ito yung mga bagay na in demand. Labador. In demand dito sa probinsya, dapat lagi may labador. Yan, may tubig. Tapos ito yung pambansang kaldero. Yung nag-comment, Madam, bakit yung kaldero walang hawakan? Ganun talaga, guys, move on na lang tayo. Pero yan yung kaldero nila dito. And then, dito nakaparking yung kanilang Mercedes-Benz na bisikleta para pang deliver. Yan. Tsaka syempre kailangan natin ng higaan para maibenta kasi di baling maliit yung bahay basta malambot yung ating kama. O, diba? Sangka. Tapos meron tayo ditong mga bigas at harina. Yan yung mga pinaka-main kasi laging kailangan yan sa pang-araw-araw. Asukal, ganyan, asin. Mantika, wala masyado kasi mahal yung mantika. Yan, honey. Nganong na may baligya ing ani diri nganong importante man kayo ni diri pagbaligya. Aha.
For example, in this locality, we are pineapple farmers, and you see you cannot grow pineapples and you walk through the pineapples without safety shoes. So we use these gumboots as safety shoes in the gardens. So that's why they are locally sold so much in this area. Being a farming-based community, you find that
Tagpila man yung isa kayong ani? 10,000 shillings, 20,000 shillings.
15,000.
Ha?
They are 15,000 shillings.
15,000 eh?
Yes.
Okay. Kari, para sa asa man eh? This one is for how, for what?
These can tie cows, goats, and still can be used to tie things when they are loaded on the truck.
Mm. And this is made of what?
This is made of saiso.
Saiso?
Yeah, it's a crop majorly grown in Tanzania. It's like stony.
Guys, nakita ko na naman itong kaldero na to. Oh. Siyempre, for your Luganda lesson 101, this is called sipichi. Ayan, ito ay isang napakasimpleng lutuan or pot. Napakanipis lang yan. Kita nyo naman. So, ito ang pinaka-common na nakikita nyo kapag ka nag-film ako ng mga pagluluto dito sa Uganda. Bakit nga ba? It's because ito ay sobrang affordable. Sobrang mura. So, ito ay kayang-kaya ng taong madla, you guys. This one, on this size, is only 5,000 Ugandan shillings or nasa 55 pesos. O, di ba? Pasok. Tapos, madali lang makaluto kasi manipis siya, madaling uminit. So, yung presyo depende sa sizes. Dumating na tayo ng South Korea, kailangan natin ng makapal na jacket. Nasa Uganda lang tayo, guys. Sobrang overprotective lang yung asawa ko, kaya dapat makapal yung jacket natin dahil manunusok yung mga pinya. So ayan, nakaset na tayo. Ready na tayong mag-harvest ng ating hinog na pinya at saging. Let's go!
Welcome sa aming bukid! Yeah. Yummy. Yummy, yummy. Yay! Apunitas. Nog, pinya.
Guys, check lang natin yung ating pinyahan dito. Meron ng mga namumunga pero hindi pa hinog. Yun. Marami na actually namumunga. Mga 3 buwan pa and then makakapag-harvest na tayo.
Walang ilog.
Not ready.
Walang hinog, guys.
Walang hinog. Walang hinog, guys. May hinog, Nasri? No, you have to say wala.
Wala.
Tara maghanap ng hinog na pinya. Sorry, wait. Okay, guys, nandito na tayo sa ikalawa nating garden ng pinya. Alisay, mabuhay.
Mabuhay.
We are going to get pinya, pineapple in our plantation. Plantation, akala mo naman, hektarya. Malapit na, guys. Lagi akong kumikembot para dito. Ayan. Tingnan nyo. Wow! Wow! Ako na yung maglalagay ng sound effects.
Guys, we are wearing gloves because when we pick the pineapples, it might prick us, so we're wearing gloves. Because the reason is that we need the gloves to protect our
Pineapple.
hands from the spike.
Yes. How many pineapples are you going to pick?
5. I think, for me, I think 10 and below.
And you?
It's 20.
20. Let's go!
Me,
And you, how many?
10.
10? 20.
For me, 9.
20?
20.
Okay. And you?
Guys, oh my sangin! Good? Very good.
Matinik and pinya.
Pero masarap! Iso pang hinog. in the sun. Ay, sobrang hinog!
Look here first.
I think some bugs already wanted to eat it.
Hmm?
I think some bugs already wanted to eat it.
No, it's just ants because it's very sweet. You know, this is the sweetest pineapple in Europe.
I'm overheated, can hardly sleep at night, doing crazy dreaming
you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh, baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight oil. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight oil. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, oh, oh,
Naglalaway si Kahil habang tumitingin. You do like this so the juice will not go to your clothes. Grabe to si kulit-kulot, ang sosyal. Nagpakat talaga ng sarili niyang pinya. Say bye-bye to your baby pineapple. Wala munang imikan.
Hungry. Mama, bite I like.
Up to where?
This one is
How many acres? 3 acres.
good. Excellent. Excellent pick.
Yan yung ano niya, yung tunog niya. Very satisfying. So dito na side, meron din tayong mga matoke guys. Kasabay ng ating pinyahan. Etong matoke na to ay ready na for harvest. So yung mga bago dito nakapanood ng videos ko, matoke ito ay #1 staple food dito sa Uganda.
Central
Kontinente ng Africa. Nagamit din pala to guys para gumawa ng ng beer, local beer. Ito hindi pa to ready.
I saw in the Philippines you eat this thing.
Yeah. Ang puso ng saging pala guys dito sa Uganda, ang puso ng saging hindi nila dito kinakain, tinatapon lang nila. So dapat turuan na.
Oras na muwi.
Sobrang saya ng araw na to. Sa
the top. It will stain your jacket.
Guys, my tatlong papaya.
Finally, we have come back from the farm and we are starving. So, we're having rice and chicken. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and press the bell button for more videos. See you on the next adventure.
Took some big bites. Just killed the baby.
Parang ilang araw man ito pinakain ng anak ko. Yummy? Can you finish the whole? Grabe effort kaayo ang pagkagat, oy.